Alright, so this is Spanky's amazing tale of wonder, holding up the Croc.
He's holding up the shoe.
Spanky, are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? Don't smack at him. Oh, he's a nice boy. You want treat? You want treat? You want treat? Didn't last very long.
Spanky.
What is he?
Spanky.
What is it? Mr. Glowy Eyes? He has very glowy, evil-looking.
Stay.
Oh, Ray, don't do that to him.
Stay.
He wants a treat. He wants a treat. I'm insane.
This is your treat, Spanky.
He's like, what is she doing to me, Mom? I don't know, Spanky. Put him on his tail. Come on, I was trying to get him to wag his tail a bit on there.
Treat.
He's just tremendously glowy eyed. The glowy eyed dog, Spanky. You want a treat? Is this what you want? Is this what you want? Oh, the tail's wagging. Wag your tail. Wag your tail. Oh, wag your tail with a Croc one.